All right, cool. Today we are doing a filtration of the 07 cab for college sellers, and I'm here with our teacher Mike and Steven over there doing a little, getting the rest of the extra water out of the hoses here. We're just about to filter. We've got our plate and frame system here. Got it all rinsed out. Get that paper taste out of there so everything will come out nice and clean. We've got our, run it through with some hot water and then a citric rinse. And then another run of hot water and some cold water to cool it down. And we're going to be coming out of this tank over here, and we're going to go into this tank over here, and then hopefully we'll be able to bottle here in the next couple days, if not tomorrow, right? Or when are we bottling this stuff, Mike?
Probably Monday.
Monday, cool. All right, so yeah, we'll see how it goes. All right, so we have rinsed out the plate and frame system. We've cracked the top of the tank, so that we don't have it crush in on itself. And then we've hooked up our lines here, and
Go ahead and start the pump, Steven.
we're going to start circulating here with our pump here. And there might be a little bit of water left in the tank, so we're going to flush a little bit of that out, and then once the wine starts coming through, we'll stop the pump and we'll hook it up to tank.
Still got water coming out.
You can see here,
Some water.
a little bit of wine mixed with water.
Close this one.
So these,
Close this one. Air's coming out still.
you can see how it compresses here, and we can tighten this up to make these plates here tighter.
Don't have enough.
Bucket comes through here. So still mostly water and wine. Keep checking the pressure on the valves. Alright, so we have connected to tank and we are filtering. So we can check out a little bit of wine here. Mike's going to pull a little bit out. See how it's looking.
Still pretty watery, but
Got a little bit of stuff. So this paper that we use is a cellulose fiber, and the wine, as it comes through here from the other tank, will pass into the bottom here, come up, and then get exchanged back and across the gradient here, and get filtered through these cellulose fiber sheets, which are at different ratings depending on what you're trying to filter out. Which levels are these, Mike, that we're using today?
so this is like a 3 to 5 micron.
And that's going to get rid of?
Mostly the gross, well, any yeast that happen to be suspended in there.
Right. And then the other one?
But this stuff's pretty clear. So we only had a little bit of a few of those, and then now we have, this is probably about 1.5 micron, so taking a couple steps down, and this is going to do most of the work today. And the wine should be pretty clear, but we're actually going to put it through another filtration on the way to the bottling line to get it down to 0.65, just to get any dormant cells that happen to have shrunk up and gone to sleep and shrunk up on themselves. So
Cool.
Should be Brett-free wine.
And we all know how
Not that there's anything
wrong with bread-free wine.
but
There you go. All right, let's see how it's looking now. Ah, there we
still a
go.
little foamy. This stuff's pretty tasty. 07.
There you go. Let's take a look at that. Not bad.
Nice and clear.
Yep, looking good. Cool.
Mm-hmm.
And the real test here.
Mm-hmm.
Not awful.
Mm.
Doesn't suck.
Mm.
There you go.
Mm-hmm.
Good stuff.